I'm gonna go over these Google Forms real quick. We got 8 responses. I got a fucking feeling they're gonna be trolls. Start off with the first one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, actually no, I can just do this.
FBI, open up!
That was some like 2016 shit. I don't know if I can add that to the list. Let's see the next one.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Fuck you. Whoever this was, fuck you. Sad violin. These are some basic ass fucking response. I thought we were gonna get some like some wild shit. Like iCarly. Fucking. Like, bro. Like you know how the crowd be like cheering sometimes and shit like that? Like that. Weak ass. Buzzer. I'm not even gonna look that one up, bro. This is just Reddit fucking with me. This is just Reddit trolling. This is literally just Reddit trolling me. Sends a 7-minute performance from 2024 of just Kendrick type shit.
Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt twin.
That shouldn't be funny. That shouldn't be funny.
Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt twin.
We're fucked, bro. We're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked. Oh, as a whole, as a unity, we're fucked.
Roger, roger.
Okay. Come on, fire shit. Fire shit. Bang.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Honestly, that I might add that. I was thinking like iCarly crowd sound effect. I need that. So we're gonna replace Undertaker's played out, bro. We're gonna replace Undertaker with bang. And now it's gonna be called iCarly. The OG content creators, bro. Come on now. All right. So if we're going to a next segment, you know, and all right, y'all, about to hop on COD. Or I'm just gonna play that shit. I'm gonna play that shit when somebody puts like some corny ass shit in the chat. Bro. Okay. Oh, I need that. Whoa. Oh. Not that one. Perfect. Perfect. I'm fucking this is a great soundboard so far. We are cooking right now. Fuck you say to me. All right, hold on. Yes. No, I am, bro. The only reason I don't use it's literally just a soundboard sitting here. Like, I should use this bitch more. But it got so outdated, so like I would go over to prep and I'd be like, nah, never mind. I'm gonna start running polls for these.
Oh, fuck you, faggot.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit? How are you not in fucking school?
Just wait. Y'all don't even know what up. Y'all have no idea. Y'all have no idea what's about to happen.
You kiss your mother with that mouth? It's called you kiss your mother with that fucking mouth. Because the fucking youth is just. You shut up when I'm talking to you. You shut your mouth.
I am. I'm just fucking around.
Fuck you.
I feel like it's mad aggressive. I don't know if we can. I don't know if I'd use that in any instance. You good, Mud?
They got 10 security guards at the gate for me. And then they got, woods of paintball guns. They just shot my cameraman. You good, Mud?
This was like funny as hell until everybody started remaking it. Like all the big streamers. They didn't even let Lil Bro have his moment.
Fuck you, kid. You're adopted.
Bro. Somebody told him, like, bro, you gotta chill the fuck out.
The fuck you say to me,
There
you
it
little
is.
shit?
I'm gonna use that shit on Cruise, bro. Cruise, that shit's coming.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
And then,
You good, Mud?
I bet. All right. What was the other one? 5 minutes later.
Five minutes later.
Yep. Bang, bang. That one's got to go. That one's got to go too. I ain't gonna lie. This will be in the Hall of Fame. This is the OG. That's us. Chill Guys got to go there. Need to rearrange these a little bit.
And he gave me $1.75 not to tell anybody.
Cherry?
Well, that's
Selena
the going
Gomez
rate
is my
for
celebrity
lying
crush
about
growing up.
something that I ate. Did you use magic to win the award?
No, I used no
I
magic
used to think she
whatsoever
was
to persuade
bad.
Mr. Larry Tate to give me this award.
She really
Especially
is
on this
telling
show.
the truth.
Wow, I had never thought I'd see my daughter with a halo on her head.
And I want you all to be there when I get
It
my
hurt
award.
me
no way, I'm not
to
going.
watch her grow up, bro.
Can you read the
Because I was
second
just
to
still a
last sentence,
youngin'.
please?
Yes, I can read the second to last sentence.
Like, damn,
The
I
student
never
body
had a
president will
chance.
be there to present your award. Student body president? That's me!
Yes,
I'm not going. Oh.
yes. I used to watch the show just to see her, gang. I was like, chilling. Like, yo, 7 o'clock, new show be on. All right, bet I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna pull up on you. I'm gonna pull up.
What you doing, dickhead? Dickhead? Yeah. Yeah. Yo!
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo, what the fuck?